Hey guys, this is Curtis from all the King's Projects. Hey, we're fixing to change out the manifold and put a 4-barrel carburetor on this old Dodge 318. So we're slowly taking a few things apart. And Chewy, you broke off your leash. And neighbor dog broke off his leash. Sorry about that. But anyway, we're gonna start tearing it down. We gotta move things off around and figure out what we've got to do and see how it goes. I think what we're gonna do is take a few things off, and I'm gonna clean them up, clean the front end of this engine up, and make it look decent. Clean all this grime and grease and dirt and stuff off of it. Make it look neat. So that's what's going on. Okay, we need to see if this will loosen right there. This bolt here and that one bolt. Alright, check that bolt in the back, it's just turning. Anyway, guys, y'all get the gist of it. I'm gonna get off here and I'll get you more updates on it. So hope everyone's doing good tonight, and hope y'all have a good day tomorrow and next few days. And like I say, I always say, you have 3 good days always. Make today good, make tomorrow even better, and your third day, make it the best day of the week. Peace out, y'all. Y'all have a good one. I will get more updates as we get farther down the road. Y'all have a good night. God bless y'all.